In this video, we're going to review average rate of change from a graph. So first thing you want to do is it's asking us for average rate of change. We note in the question, do you want to make note of which graph it's asking for and make sure you are specific to the graph. So this is asking about graph of G, so we should be using this second graph. It wants us to find average rate of change when it is equal to 0, when G of X average rate of change equal to 0. So that's meaning really when is the slope equal to 0. We can see on this graph that the only place the slope is equal to 0 is between those two values. It did not indicate what type of notation, so I'm going to show you both interval and inequality. So interval notation, we know they're both closed because it's on a solid line. So we know it's starting at the x value of 3 and ending at the x value of 6. So we'd write 3 to 6. We could also write the same thing in inequality notation, but we would do less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 6. The next one is asking us where's the average rate of change of f equal to 1. So we know we're using the top graph, negative 1. The only time I have a slope of negative 1 is between those two x values. So again, they didn't give us any specific type of notation, so I'm going to use interval first. We're on a solid, so that means I'm a bracket and a bracket because I've got a closed dot on this end. And we're going from x equals 2 to x equals 5. Or in inequality notation, we do 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5.